Hey there, it's Marian, and I have a question for you. Are you balanced? Now, I'm sure your brain is just spinning, wondering what I mean by that, because balance can take on all sorts of meanings. But it's me, it's movement. And I want to know if your muscles are balanced. Why? Because it is week 2 of our series, and our series is Ditching Back Pain After Breast Cancer. So I need to know if your muscles are balanced. And I'm talking balance in the front of your body and the back of your body, because it makes a huge difference. And it may be why your back is hurting. It is talking to you and it is aching. So stay tuned, follow through, and remember, this is the Monday Moves. We have got a live workshop on Friday. It is interactive. I want you there because I want you to see if your muscles are imbalanced, and if they are, what you should be doing about them. Week 1, we were talking about neutral postures. We want you in those neutral postures because we need those muscles to relax. They get angry and irritated when they don't have a chance to relax. And the same thing, they get angry and irritated when you use them all the time. And you may be using them all the time because you don't have a balance between the front and the back of your body. So we're talking about whether or not you're using your anterior muscles or your posterior muscles for the work and the functions and the things that you're doing day to day. So if you're getting low back pain, if your back is hurting, chances are you've got some imbalance, maybe front and back, and it may be how you're using those muscles. So I want to go through one of the exercises to see how balanced your body is. Stay with me. Let's go over to the bench and I'm going to demonstrate. All right, so we are going to look to see whether or not you have balance between the front of your body and the back of your body. Now, in our workshop, we are going to dig a little deeper, and I'll take you through the strategy for this exercise, which is testing your balance, as well as what you're going to do to find that balance. So this is a simple squat. Now, I say simple because you are using it every day. You are getting up and down out of a chair, up and down out of a car, up and down in the subway, lots of places where you will be performing a partial squat. We're not going to the basement. We are not going all the way to the ground, but I just want to test to see how you're doing with a squat. So I'm going to demonstrate what I would like to see, and this is how you're going to test if you've got imbalances in your muscles, front and back. So watch and learn, check it out. I want to make sure first you're in that neutral posture. So I've got that curve in my back, my spine is nice and aligned. All right, so we're going to move into a squat. I'm going to put my hands just at shoulder level so you can see what's going on here. And I'm going to come down to my bench, touch my tush to the bench, and then come right back up. And right back up. Now, the important part here is coming back up. I don't want you to lean forward. Just like I'm leaning now, look in the camera, look at my back. I'm leaning forward. Is that what you guys did to get out of that squat position? Were you down on the bench like this and you stood up like this? No, 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 no. That's not what I want. I want those shoulders. Remember, neutral postures, ear over shoulder, shoulders over hips, and then right back up. That's what I'm looking at for that balance. That's what I want to see. So if this is giving you trouble, if you're saying there's no damn way that you are getting in that position, well, you know what? Yeah, you can. I want you in. I want you in that balanced position. I want you to be able to perform that half squat with a neutral posture. Why? Because it means that you're going to have balance in your body. And it's not just for the squatting. It relates to that back pain. So come on into the workshop on Friday. I'm going to break down the squat. I'm going to break down why it's happening if you've got those issues, but use this Monday Moves to test yourself. See if you can get up and down with that neutral posture, ear over shoulder, shoulder over hips. Remember, I'm going to drive that home for you guys. It's important. That was our lesson from workshop number 1, to relax the muscles. Now, can you hold that position when you're performing your day-to-day functions? Because that's where you're getting into trouble, is not having those neutral postures and then be able to sustain them while you're going around the house, going around the grocery store, doing any of your activities. If that back pain is there, it means there's imbalances. And that's what I want to look at. So again, I would love to see you in the workshop on Friday, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Just go to marianbarnick.com and /BACK, that's back, and sign up. It is free. Love to see you there. Have an awesome day.